Ever wondered how you can have a conversation that feels almost human? How can a machine understand your questions, generate creative text formats, and even translate languages with incredible accuracy? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Gemini, Google's latest and most advanced large language model. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly is a large language model? In simple terms, it's like a superpowered computer program that has been trained on a massive amount of text and code. Think of it as a digital brain that has learned to recognize patterns, understand relationships between words, and even generate human-like text. But Gemini isn't just another language model. It's a leap forward in AI, built upon years of research and development. It's designed to be more versatile, more powerful, and more capable than anything we've seen before. So, how does this incredible technology actually work? Let's break it down. The core concept, learning from the world. At the heart of Gemini lies a process called deep learning. Imagine a child learning to speak. They start by listening to their parents, observing the world around them, and gradually piecing together how language works. Gemini follows a similar path. It's fed a colossal amount of text and code, books, articles, websites, code repositories, you name it. This data becomes its learning material. The magic of neural networks. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Deep learning relies on something called neural networks. These are complex mathematical models inspired by the human brain. Think of a neural network as a vast network of interconnected nodes. Each node processes information and passes it on to the next, creating a chain reaction. When Gemini encounters new text, its neural network analyzes it, identifying patterns and relationships between words. It learns how words are used in different contexts, how they relate to each other, and even the nuances of human language. Beyond words, multimodality. One of the most exciting aspects of Gemini is its multimodal nature. It's not just about text. Gemini can also understand and generate images, code, and even audio. This means it can perform a wide range of tasks, from writing creative stories and translating languages to generating images from text descriptions and even composing music. The Gemini advantage, pushing the boundaries. What truly sets Gemini apart is its versatility. It can adapt to a wide range of tasks and perform them with exceptional accuracy and speed. For example, Gemini can generate human-like text, write stories, poems, articles, and even code. Translate languages, accurately translate text between different languages with high fidelity. Answer questions, provide comprehensive and informative answers to a wide range of questions. Summarize text, condense lengthy articles and documents into concise summaries. Create different creative text formats, write code, scripts, musical pieces, and email. Understand and generate images, create images from text descriptions, and vice versa. The future of Gemini, a glimpse ahead. Gemini is still under development, but its potential is immense. Imagine a world where AI can assist us in countless ways, from personalized education to groundbreaking medical research. Gemini has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with information, how we create, and how we solve complex problems. The ethical considerations. Of course, with such powerful technology comes great responsibility. It's crucial to develop and deploy AI responsibly, ensuring fairness, safety, and transparency. Researchers and developers are actively working on addressing potential biases, mitigating risks, and ensuring that Gemini is used for the benefit of humanity. Gemini represents a significant milestone in the field of artificial intelligence. It's a testament to the incredible progress we've made in understanding and replicating human intelligence. While there are still challenges to overcome, the future of Gemini and AI in general is incredibly exciting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.